Hello and welcome to this new video about programming Python in blocks. You will find the link of the full list in the description below. Today I will introduce the concept of bias through an algorithm in artificial intelligence called the decision tree. For that I will use a Python library called the Scikit-learn. This is our AI box. As an input we need to give a lot of data. It's called the training data. After doing the training part, we will test with a new data called the testing data. As a result, the system will make a prediction. A company chose to fully rely on artificial intelligence to recruit a new candidate. The training data contains all the data of all the previous candidates, whatever they were accepted or not. After making the training part, the system will accept the data of a new candidate and will decide if that person will be accepted or not in the company. This is our dataset. Normally, there are a lot of criteria. I will only keep here two: the age and the gender. In the gender columns, 0 means it is a man and 1 means it is a woman. In the acceptance column, 1 means that the candidate were not accepted and 0 means that he or she was accepted. Before you start programming, we need to install these libraries. Here I will show you how to install the libraries using the pip command. Now go to the site easycoding.tn and search for any link to EasyPython. This is my dataset. It is already saved in a folder. I exported it as a CSV file. In the beginning, I will load the entire dataset into a variable and display it on the screen. Be sure to write the exact name of your file. If you want to display all the columns, leave this box empty. Now I will display the content of the variable dataset. This is the generated code. I will execute it. Your Python file should be in the same folder as your CSV file. And here we are. Now I will need the two variables, one for the feature and one for the label. The column of the feature or criteria are the age and the gender. The column of the label is the acceptance. Now I will display both variables to be sure about the extraction. And it is working. Now we can start the AI part. We will need a variable that will contain the decision tree. There are several algorithms. I will choose classifier 1. Now I will make the training part with the feature and the label data. In the end, I will make the testing part or how to make the prediction. Be aware, this block needs this specific type of list. It is a kind of list inside a list. In our case, the inner list contains two elements, the gender and the age. Here I will make a prediction of a 31 years old man if he will be recruited by the company or not. And in the second step, I will try with a woman with the same age. Now let's test our program. As you can see, the man was accepted and the woman was not, although they have the same age. Now I will improve my program by letting the user entering the age and the gender. Now I invite you to make several tests and discover the meaning of bias in artificial intelligence. In the end, I hope that you liked the video and see you soon. Bye.